Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda and the brand new Honda Accord. Right now we got both hands on the steering wheel while holding on to the phone. We're driving down the highway right now. We're going to give you guys a quick little visuals on the Honda sensing features, like what to look for on the driver's interface on the brand new Honda Accord. Now, the camera's kind of bouncing around a little bit because I'm more focused on the road more than anything right now, so kind of bear with me a little bit, okay?
GPS signal lost.
Right now you guys can see that I'm just cruising, none of the safety features on or at the moment. I'm going to keep my hands on the wheel here quick, so I'm not going to back out on showing you the buttons. I'll send some photos right up there right now on the right hand side of the steering wheel. It's the buttons you'll be looking at, okay? Now, with that being said, I'm going to select my cruise control button. Right now we have adaptive cruise available. I'm going to hit the toggle to set that. You can see it's actively working right now because it's green icon right up there. My foot's off the pedal and it's just cruising, okay? Now we can select the distance. You got a couple options. You can see it right there. We're further away between us and the car in front of you. So on and so on, all right? Now the next button on the bottom right hand corner is going to be for your lane keep assist. It actually just found the lines right now. It's actively working because the icon is green and the lines around the car are green, so it's actively working. So there's that right there. Now we'll give a second for this car to pass me because we're going to try to merge into the other lane without your turning indicator on. Okay, car's out of range, no one's around. We're going to slowly veer out for your lane departure and gently brings you right back. I don't have to do any adjustments, so that's the quick visual on that. And you can see a car in the next lane right over there as it shows on the driver's interface. Now, if I turn on my blinker, the lane keep assist deactivates, all right? So it allows me to get into the next lane without it trying to gently kind of nudge me. Now, as soon as I turn it off, it comes right back on pretty darn quick and easy. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video here quick. We're going to see if we can find a car in range over time that gets in the range of the adaptive cruise control so you can see it slow us down to maintain that distance, alright? Alright, so you guys can see right there, there's two numbers in the center. We got 74 is the current speed I'm going. The bottom number 75 is what my speed, my cruise control is set to, okay? Now you can see on the driver's interface right below that smaller number, there's a car, a solid car with a green outline. That means the adaptive cruise control found a car in range and it's slowing me down to maintain that distance between me and that car, okay? So the current distance we're at, we're further away. Far away. We're zooming right back. That's about how far the car is, right over there, okay? Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Right now we're inside of a ridgeline. Don't worry, I have both hands on the steering wheel. The camera's gonna bounce around a little bit because I'm paying attention to the road, most of it here. And so, yeah, just letting you guys know, okay? So anyways, as I'm glancing down, you guys can see that we have green writing down over here. I'll put a little circle right up there so you guys can see what I'm looking at. We have the LKAS, that's going to be your lane keep assist system. And then we have the adaptive cruise control, the ACC. It's available, it's on, it's actively working because you can tell by these icons on the driver's interface screen. We have dotted lines here off to the side. The filled in, that means it found the lines on the road for your lane keep assist. And then we're also going to have a picture of our car in front of us. You can see that the adaptive cruise control has found a car in front of us. So right now, the car is in cruise control and the lane keep assist is active. So it found a car in front of us. So you can see my cruise control is set to 70 miles an hour. And the wind's blowing us around a little bit. There we go. So you can see we're going 64 miles an hour right now. You can select the distance. As I tap the button, we're closer range now, so the car is going to speed up till it finds a car in range again. I can set the distance further back. So it's going to slow us down now to move us away from that car, as you can see. Now we're going to have a car that's going to pass us here in a second for the blind spot information. It comes right up. a little orange light. So that's pretty nice. Now let's say if I want to turn off my lane keep, I just select that button right there. Okay, hands back on the wheel. So now we just have the adaptive cruise. A car got out of the way, so now we're going to resume back to 70 miles an hour as it's flashing to let us know. And you can see there's a hollow car right up there, so it doesn't find a car in range. So if I'm not making sense, I'm kind of rambling on, because once again, I'm paying attention to the road. Safety is more, very important, of course, when you're on the road. So, but yeah, want to make a kind of a half quality video to give you guys a quick little visual on the Honda sensing features and action. Maybe we'll get a car coming up here to pass us. I'm going to try out the blind spot information system. I'm going to try on the blinker as they're passing. So here we go. I just wanted to beep so you guys can hear that. As you notice, when someone's in your blind spot with your turn indicator on, it beeps, and then also the light's going to flash too, okay? All right, so there we go. There's my half quality kind of, visual effects, kind of briefly showing and explaining the Honda sensing features a little bit, okay?